This is November 2730 Papa. It's a 2005 Lancair Columbia 400 in absolutely pristine condition. The aircraft has been based in Asheville, North Carolina. Has about 1,269 hours on it at this time, airframe and engine, on the Continental IO 550. This airplane has the Avidyne glass panel, the Flight Max PFD and MFDs, WAAS capable Garmin 430W with all modern accoutrements like Stratus ADS-B, S-Tec 55X autopilot, built-in oxygen, speed brakes, and many other details. For more information, see us online at www.aircraftmerchants.com or call us at 919-553-5235.